In this video, I'm going to show you the best suspension upgrades you can get for your Toyota Hilux without breaking the bank account. So what is a lift kit and why would you need to get one? Well, a lift kit is something that's a very popular option to be able to add to your vehicle to be able to give it a little bit more height, fit a bigger tyre, which then allows you to have more ground clearance. And ground clearance is very important, especially off-road, to be able to get over obstacles such as ruts and big rocks. It also has an added benefit of being able to upgrade the spring rate and also upgrade your shocks to be able to allow a bigger bore, a little bit more oil, more cooling, and also allows a different feel compared to the OEM shocks. Another really important upgrade is the upper control arms. But what is the main reason why you need to get an upper control? Well, when you lift the vehicle, it changes the camber and caster angle, which affects your tyre wear and also makes it really bad alignment. So the fix to it is getting an upgraded upper control arm, which has inbuilt camber and caster correction to fix that problem, fix your alignment issues, and stop any tyre wear. So now we have the Diff drop kit. The Diff drop kit is an upgrade that a lot of people overlook. The main reason behind it is to stop any sort of harsh CV angles such as this. When you have a harsh CV angle, it causes your CV to bind off-road and then actually makes it snap. You don't want to be off-road and you have your CV snap because otherwise you either got to change it out or you're stranded. So the Diff drop kit goes in and it just helps to lower the diff a little bit to stop that harsh angle, stop any binding, and then it stops it from snapping. Very popular upgrade these days is airbags. The main reason for that is because a lot of people are towing caravans or camper trailers these days. So what is an airbag useful for though? So the airbag sort of slots in between your leaf spring and your chassis, or if you have a coil car, you have the airbag go in between the coil. It then helps to level out the car for extra load. So if your springs are rated to 150 kilos, but you're going to be towing a ball weight of about 300 kilos, the airbag's there to help level the car back out, keep it all nice and level, and stabilize the vehicle. Sway bars are an important upgrade to help stop any body roll and to stabilize the vehicle. So a lot of cars come with a front factory sway bar, but as you can see in this vehicle in particular, it doesn't come with a rear factory sway bar. That's where we come in and we have actually optional extra rear sway bars that you can fit to the vehicle. It comes with brackets to be able to fit to a vehicle that doesn't usually exist with one. And then you can help stabilize the rear end, stop any body roll, and make your vehicle drive a little bit better on road. A lot of the cars these days need new bushes. The reason being, after some time, the rubber starts to deteriorate. So we have these polyurethane bushes that we can get. They come with lifetime warranty. They're made in Australia and they're made out of a hard polyurethane compound, which means it has a little bit more longevity than a rubber bush. And it does help to stop a lot of movement in the joints. So these are very common in like say leaf springs or in your control arms. If you have movement there, it does cause a lot of problems. So typically we recommend getting these replaced with some polyurethane bushes. Brake upgrade kits are really important to add to your vehicle, especially if you're going to be towing a large caravan or adding a lot of accessories to your vehicle. Main reason being, your stock factory brakes aren't designed for that extra load. You want a big brake kit to be able to help yourself stop when you actually need it. If you want to buy any of these helpful products, feel free to head on over to the Fulcrum website and you can either have them shipped to your door or fitted by one of our specialists. We also have a helpful customer service team if you have any other further questions. Otherwise, until next time, see you later. But why would you fit a bigger tyre? Well, that actually gives you a little bit more ground clearance. Like that. It's actually really heavy. All right.